Bonjour, c'est Thierry Bézier pour le blog de Bézier.com. Aujourd'hui, j'ai le plaisir d'être avec un des représentants de PaperPost. Il s'agit d'une application web que peu d'entre vous connaissent et que je vous propose de connaître un peu plus. Hi, thank you for having me. I would like to know, can you just explain us basically what is PaperPost?
Sure. PaperPost is the leading blog and consumer-generated media advertising network. So what we do through our marketplace, we connect bloggers and advertisers. We pay bloggers to write about, to film about, podcast about, embed photos or text links about products or services they believe in, and they're paid to do so, and they have to fully disclose, brought to you by Acme Products Corporation. As a blogger, you can take up to 3 posts per day, and every post is humanly screened to make sure you meet the requirements that the advertiser is asking for. And once it's approved, it's sent out to the blogosphere, and the transaction transpires.
So you provide a model revenue for all the bloggers that they want to make some income with their posting and all that.
Absolutely. So to date, we've been around for about 6 months, and our top blogger has made $10,000 blogging on PaperPost, and the next one has been about $9,000.
Wow, it's quite good. Actually, one question. How does it work? Is it easy to get advertisers? Are they not afraid that the blogger will not be too objective or compliant? How does that work?
So as an advertiser, we create opportunity descriptions, and we require them to be either positive, neutral, generate buzz. You can do a negative post, but no advertiser really wants to pay for anything negative. It just doesn't really work effectively, but everything is controlled. We haven't had a problem attracting advertisers to date. We've had 6,500 advertisers utilize PaperPost in the last 6 months, so it's a pretty hockey stick growth rate so far.
Today, how many bloggers are using your services?
We have 20,000 bloggers in our network, and we're currently growing by 2,000 bloggers a week. So by the end of this year, without any acquisition, we'll have 100,000 bloggers.
In France and in Europe, it's quite difficult to imagine that we can get paid to make some posts or to blog. Do you think it will be a possibility that one day we see some PaperPost-like or even PaperPost companies in Europe?
We already have bloggers overseas. So 73% of our bloggers are US-based. The remaining bloggers are overseas. So we have bloggers all throughout the UK. We have some in France, Spain, even Greece, India, Sweden, all over the world, Japan.
Yeah, actually, it's good that you talk about Japan because from the last statistics, we see that the Japanese bloggers are the biggest community in the world. So are you going to do something special for this country? Are you going to localize your services or to do something special?
We're looking into, as we grow, doing in-language kind of PaperPost sites so they can do it in Japanese or do it in French and do it in whatever their German, their native language is. So we are looking at expanding in that direction.
In the blogosphere, particularly in the US blogosphere, you had a kind of very cold welcome, I would say. How do you explain that?
Yeah, the cold welcome was when we first started the company, we did not offer disclosure. So bloggers were actually blogging, and it looked disingenuous that they weren't saying they were being paid. So once we offered full disclosure, that negative publicity has just sifted away, and people finally get it and they understand it.
So now if I want to blog something from one of your customers, I have to make a disclosure and says, okay, I'm blogging this because I'm getting paid for that?
Yes, it's called a disclosure badge, and it has to be embedded into your blog post somewhere that's very prominently displayed, and then you can scroll over it. It has a branding opportunity for the marketer. So brought to you by McDonald's, brought to you by General Motors.
So now that the storm is gone and now that everybody can see that your model is working quite well, what is your next big challenge actually?
Our next big challenge is really, with anything when you start a big company, or a startup company I should say, you always get kind of second-tier marketers jumping on board. So my team that I've brought on board, and I used to work at MySpace previously, I worked at AOL, so those folks, we're engaging with top-level marketers and top-tier agencies. So what you're going to be seeing is global advertisers, it could be Renault, it could be Cisco, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, McDonald's, advertising on PaperPost. So that's our next biggest hurdle.
So today we are at the Web 2.0 Expo. Why is it important for you to be here at such an event?
Well, it's kind of twofold for us, actually. One is we want to get the word out about PaperPost to agencies and marketers, and we also want to get the word out to prospective bloggers to become what we call posties. That's a PaperPost member. So it's very important on two fronts.
What kind of question the bloggers ask you? What is the first, I would say the first question the bloggers is asking you?
The first question they ask us is how much money they can make on pay-per-post.
So I guess they were waiting for such kind of service for a long time, right?
Absolutely. But you can make, the bloggers that do very effectively on pay-per-post usually have 2 to 3 blogs. So they can have a technology blog, maybe a mommy blog, and an entertainment blog. And those are the ones that make the most money.
Wow, thank you very much for all those details and, good luck on this event.
Thank you, my pleasure.